When you first log into CoCloud, you'll see a clean, intuitive workspace. In this video, we'll guide you through the main sections of the platform, so you can navigate and work efficiently. At the top right, you'll find Help Center, Language Switch, and Personal Center. Help Center provides detailed guides for all platform features. Language Switch lets you choose your preferred interface language. Personal Center shows your profile, membership status, and sign-out option. At the bottom left, you can check your current storage usage and credit balance. The center of the page is the workspace. Here you'll see all your created projects and datasets, with tools to search and filter by name type and more. In CoCloud, a dataset contains the raw data and results from a single layer or imaginary collection. A project manages the overall work for a specific area and can hold one or more datasets, often representing different collection dates. Click New Project button in the top right to create a new project or dataset. For better organization, we recommend grouping multiple datasets from the same project on the One Project folder. Click on a project or dataset card to enter data view mode. At the top, switch between datasets. In the center, view 3D models, imaginary or point clouds. The top toolbar lets you choose display modes, takes measurements, and adjust view settings. On the left, use checkboxes to show or hide specific results. On the right, the True Bit panel displays detailed information for the selected data and lets you edit attributes if needed. At the bottom, you'll see the loading status, compass, and other navigation aids. In the top right, you can quickly share a datasets or switch to data detail modes. In data detail mode, the left panel shows the timeline of all datasets within the project. The right side leads rule and process data cards, along with their processing status. Now that you know your way around CoCloud's interface, it's time to create your first project and start building in the cloud.